Errors of transposition. When the numbers are entered in wrong sequence in both accounts. Okay, so for example, let's say goods sold on credit to Ken, $125 had been recorded in the books as 152. I told you, no? So these are known as errors of transposition. Okay, so in fact, you should have recorded 125. The accountant should have recorded as 125, whereas he recorded it as 152. So what has happened? So goods sold on credit, no? So when you sell on credit, what do? You debit your debtor, no? Debtor will be debited and your sales account should be credited, right? Okay, so how do you record this? Now how he has recorded now? He has debited the debtor account by 152 and he has credited sales account by 152. Okay, so this is an error. However, the trial balance will balance because you debited 152 and you credited 152. So trial balance will balance. But there is an error. Why? This is not the actual value, actual amount. You should have recorded as 125. In order to rectify this error, what you should do? Because you have recorded a higher value than the actual value. By how much the value is more? 152 minus 125. How much is that? 7, 4 minus 2, 27, right? So 27 more you have debited and 27 more you have credited. You understand? So instead of recording it as 125, you record it as 152 and 152. So therefore, your debtor value is more by 27 and your sales value is more by 27. So in order to reduce that, what you should do that? What you should do? You have to credit your debtor by 27 and you debit your debtor sales by 27. So thereby, when you balance this account, 152, 152. So this will be 125, your balance carried forward. And here also the same. Is that clear? Okay, so what we have to do is, since we have recorded 152, so therefore our debtor balance is more by 27, our sales value is more by 27. So in order to rectify, you just simply take the difference and reverse it, reverse the entry. You credit the debtor and debit the sales account. So therefore, what should be the double entry? To correct this, what you should do? Sales account should be debited by 27 and you should credit your debtors by 27. Okay, so basically we have to write a narration here, being correction of credit sales being correction of credit sales, just we can write like that, being correction of credit sales. Okay, so can you take down this question and take down the journal entries also? So goods sold on credit to Ken, 125, had been recorded in the books as 152. So in that case, what you have to do to make the correction, take the difference and reverse the entry. So original entry should have been 125 debit, 125 credit, but instead you debited 152 and you credited 152. So to make this the correction, what you should do is take the difference between 152 and 125 and you credit the debtor and debit the sales. So thereby you will show in the books of accounts the correct amount. So can I move on to the next question? Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so this is errors of transposition. Second one, errors of original entry. So when an item is entered using an incorrect amount. Goods sold on credit to Mike, $960, had been recorded in the sales journal as $96. Okay, so what has happened? Okay, so the actual amount is how much? 960. But you have recorded in the sales account as how much? 96. Okay, so when you take, when you take the T accounts, goods sold on credit. Okay, so when you sell on credit, this is Mike's account and this is your sales account. So what is the double entry? What entry the accountant has passed, Shanara?
Goods sold on credit is Mike debit and sales account credit.
Yeah, how much?
96.
Yeah, exactly. So accountant has credited sales account 96. Mike is our debtor, debited 96. So now in order to correct this entry, what you should do? Is it less or more? The accountant has recorded less amount or higher amount. So in fact, the correct amount should be 960. What is this? Always 960. This is the correct amount. But whereas the accountant has recorded it as 96. So therefore, he has recorded a less amount as sales and also he has recorded less amount to the debtors account, Mike's account. Okay, so therefore by how much he has recorded this amount? What is the difference? 960 minus 96, how much?
864.
864. So 864 less by your sales account, less by your debtors account. What you should do? You should credit your sales account and debit your debtors account. So thereby you will get 960 and 960. This is the actual value. This should have been the actual value. So therefore, in order to rectify this error, how do you correct this error? By crediting sales account and debiting the Mike's account. Okay. So therefore, the description should be, you can say debtor or Mike debit 864, because in order to rectify this error, you have to debit Mike's account and credit sales account by 864. So you can say being correction of credit sales recorded less. Take down. Errors of principal. Okay. When an item is entered in the wrong type of account, which is known as errors of principal that I explained you. Okay, so basically we record transactions in the different classes of accounts, right? Different classes of accounts. So now here what has happened, purchases of motor vehicle worth 2,500 has been debited to motor vehicle repair expenses. Okay, so motor vehicle is an asset account. Motor vehicle repair is an expense account. So asset has been recorded as an expense. I told you what is the consequences of recording an asset as an expense. If you record the asset as an expense, your profit will come down. Okay, your profit will be less by this amount 2,500. Okay, so what has happened? What you have done? You should have debited the motor vehicle account. Instead, the accountant has recorded in the motor vehicle repairs account, right? So motor vehicle repairs account debited and let's say credited to the bank account, for example. Okay, so still the trial balance will balance. Okay, why? You debited motor vehicle repair expenses and credited the bank account. The trial balance will balance. As long as your debit and credits are equal, trial balance will balance. But there is an error. There is a fundamental error, principal error. What has happened? The motor vehicle is an asset account. Motor vehicle repair is an expense account. Okay, so when you calculate your profit, you take the expenses. Okay, sales minus expenses will be your profit. Okay, now in this case, your motor vehicle has been recorded as a motor vehicle repair expenses. Now what do you do? How do you rectify this? What you should do? So you need to transfer the motor vehicle repair expenses to motor vehicle account. Simply the asset account. Okay, so therefore you need to open a motor vehicle account, asset account, motor vehicle account. Okay, and what you should do, you should credit the repair, you credit the motor vehicle repair expenses and debit the motor vehicle account. Okay, so what is the entry? Motor vehicle account should be debited and motor vehicle repair account should be credited. Why? In order to eliminate this account, because you debited motor vehicle repair expenses. Okay, so you credit this account and you debit the motor vehicle account. So what is the double entry? The correction entry should be motor vehicle account. Motor vehicle account should be debited 2,500 and motor vehicle repair expense account should be credited 2,500. So you can say being correction of errors, being correction of wrong wrong entry posted in motor vehicle account. Is that clear? So here what we are doing, since there is a what do you call a principal error, we are just transferring from one class of accounts to another class of accounts. It's a principal error. Okay, So you should have debited your motor vehicle account by 2,500, but instead you debited your motor vehicle repair expenses, different classes of accounts. Okay, so what you should do is you have to reverse it. You credit the repair expenses and debit the motor vehicle account. Is that clear?
Uncle, I have a question.
Yes. I need questions. I
When
want to
you're
make.
purchasing something, we're purchasing it from cash or bank, right?
Yeah.
So why aren't you recording the cash or bank account?
Okay. It's a good question because this entry is correct, no? Whether it is cash or bank, the bank account should be credited, no? Okay. This entry is correct, Tuta. So what is the error that you have made here? It's a principal error. Okay. So principal error means you have recorded in a different classes of accounts. Instead of recording it in the motor vehicle account, you have recorded it in the motor vehicle repair account. You debited this account, you credited the bank account. The bank account is correct, no? So your cash going out, that account is correct. You don't need to rectify this account. This account is correct. Only thing is you need to change the class of accounts. So in order to do that, you have to credit the motor vehicle repair account and you need to open up an account called motor vehicle asset account. So there we debit. We are completing the double entry. See, we are debiting here and we are crediting here. So by crediting repair expenses, the repair expenses account will be zero now. Okay, the motor vehicle repair account is zero. Now what is the correct double entry now? Motor vehicle debit 2,500, bank account credit 2,500. So we did not change the bank account. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So to make this repair expenses zero, because it's not a repair expense, we credited this account and instead we opened another account called motor vehicle account and we debited that account. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. Reversal of entries. So when the correct amounts are entered in the correct accounts, but the item is shown on the wrong side of the account. Okay, what does it mean? Read the question. Payment of $200 to Charles, who is a creditor, has been entered in correct accounts but in incorrect sides. So when you make a payment, what do? What is the double entry, Samira? When you make a payment, where do you debit, where do you credit? Okay. So these are the accounts. Charles account and bank account. So you should have credited the bank account. Okay. You should have credited the bank account and you should have debited the Charles account. Instead of that, what you have done? Payment of 200 to Charles, who is a creditor, has been entered in correct accounts but in incorrect side. Okay, instead of crediting bank account, you debited bank account and Charles account you have credited. Is that the correct entry? No, it's like you have received money from Charles. Okay, you have debited the bank account and you have credited the Charles account as if you have received money from Charles. However, you have paid money to Charles. So therefore, bank account should be credited and Charles account should be debited. So to rectify this error, what you should do? Can anyone tell me how do you rectify this? And after rectifying, the amount should be shown correctly. What you should do? Shenara and Samira, tell me what you should do. Bashini also join now. Instead of crediting 200, he debited the bank account. And instead of debiting Charles, the accountant has credited the Charles account. So what is the entry? How do you rectify this?
Charles debit bank credit
How much?
200.
Okay. So yeah, rectifying what you are doing. This is wrong, no? 200 is wrong, no? Okay. So you are crediting bank account and you are debiting Charles account. Then what will happen to the balance? So this will get set off, no? 200, 200, 0. And 200, 200, you have rectified, 0. Exactly. Okay. So you just can't credit 200, Shenara. Okay. If you credit 200, that's correct. You have to credit. You have to credit the bank account and you have to debit the Charles account. But by how much? You need to credit 400 here and debit 400 here. You understand? So if you credit 400 minus 200, the bank account will be balance how much? Credit 200. And Charles, 400 minus 200, debit 200, no? The balance. Is that clear, Shenara?
Yes, uncle.
Okay. So please remember, if there is a reversal of entry, error, okay, you need to reverse not the same amount, the double the amount. Okay, in order to rectify that. So what you should do, you should debit Charles by 400 and you should credit the bank account by 400. So by doing that, you will have the correct balance. If you balance off this account, this is 400, this is not clear, 400, balance carried down 200. This will reflect here as 200 credit balance. And same thing for Charles also. So this is a balance brought down, balance will be 200. To reflect this, you need to credit and debit the double the amount. So therefore, please remember, if it is a reversal of entry, it has to be double the amount.